Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Guidershala. So today we will be talking about one of the most in-demand professions not only in our country but also on a global level. So this is none other than the job profile of a data analyst. So इस पूरे वीडियो में हम सबसे पहले ये सीखेंगे कि एक डेटा एनालिस्ट होता कौन है, उसकी रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज यानी उसका जॉब प्रोफाइल क्या होता है, एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली वी विल ऑल्सो लर्न कि उसकी स्कोप एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्या है रिलेटेड टू दिस पर्टिकुलर field. Because when you're choosing a career or profession, it is advised कि आप एक long term vision भी रखें. Long term vision as in you need to know कि in the next 5 to 10 years उसके क्या growth होगी and किस तरह से वो जो field है वो boom करेगी, so that you are making an informed decision and we are here to help you with that. So first of the foremost ये पढ़ते हैं कि data analyst होते कौन है, right? So data analyst basically gatekeepers होते हैं किसी organization के, which basically provide the stakeholders, right? जो कि आपके clients होते हैं, in order to understand the projects of the company better, in a more comprehensive way, in a more accessible way. कि मतलब data related to important projects या जो crucial information होती है वो आप किस तरह से समझ पाएं, clients को समझा पाएं. That is the job profile of a data analyst. उसके लिए they majorly use your Excel sheets और your pictorial representation के लिए जो आप use करते हैं, which may be your charts, your graphs, ठीक है, be it horizontal or vertical, does not matter. Because बहुत सिंपल सी बात है कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको कोई प्रेजेंटेशन दिखाई जा रही हो जिसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ टेक्स्ट लिखे हैं, सो मे बी यू वोंट बी रियली इंटरेस्टेड टू नो अबाउट इट, एंड ऑल्सो उसको पढ़ने में टाइम लगेगा, उसको कॉम्प्रिहेंड करने में टाइम लगेगा. बट अगर उसी टेक्स्ट को मैं एक पिक्चर फॉर्मेट में कर दूं, मतलब उसमें मैं पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन करूं, उसको मैं थोड़ा सा ग्राफ से दिखाऊं, थोड़े चार्ट से दिखाऊं, सो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट बेटर एंड ऑल्सो यू विल बी इंटरेस्टेड टू नो मोर अबाउट इट, सिंस नाउ इट्स अ होल व्यू वर्ड एंड ऑल्सो वी थिंक इन पिक्चर. दैट इज द मेजर रीजन. सो दैट इज द जॉब ऑफ अ डेटा एनालिस्ट. बट इट्स नॉट जस्ट दिस. जो जॉब प्रोफाइल है वो काफी ज्यादा वास्ट है, ठीक है, बिकॉज यू नीड टू हैव मेजरली 2 स्किल्स, विच इज योर टेक्निकल स्किल्स. ठीक है, आपको कोडिंग आनी चाहिए थोड़ा सा, प्रेफरेबली पाइथन और SQL, राइट? बिकॉज यू विल बी वर्किंग विद अ लॉट ऑफ डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम्स. यू विल बी आस्क्ड टू मेक डेटाबेसेस एज वेल. सो उसके लिए यू हैव टू हैव द कोडिंग बैकग्राउंड. एज आई सेड, MS Excel is also a very required skill. You need to know all the formulas and all the requirements which fill in the capacity of a candidate who knows MS Excel, right? Other than that, you need to have your leadership skills as well, because when you're explaining to a set of clients, or maybe when you're working in a group, right, of your fellow counterparts, then what happens is that you need to communicate your ideas efficiently कि आप उसको अच्छे से जो है analyze करके लिख पाएं. तो उसके लिए communication skills, which again is a part of your leadership skills, is important. So majorly आपकी technical skills and leadership skills बहुत important होती है. And if you want to become a data analyst, then preferably you will have to do a master's in analytics. It's a professional course. So with that you can become a data analyst. Okay. Also, most importantly, I think the major types of data analyst would be your diagnostic data analyst, your prescriptive, right, and pre-designed also. So these are the major types of data analysts which are available. It's not just one particular category. And now let's talk about the various opportunities that is there. Now, as I said, each and every organization in the corporate world is in a need of data analyst in his or her company. Why? Because we need someone to make that kind of analysis, the critical reading between the lines, and also present it to the clients or the stakeholders of the organization. It is the need of the hour, and this is a job in demand, right? So I don't think there is any confusion related to the scope or the I would say some regret associated with it, because it's a booming field. It has a lot of opportunities. If you have the right kind of skills, you can become a data analyst today and you can earn a lot. This is a profession which is not only interesting, which is not only in trends or on demand, but also pays a lot. The salaries of a data analyst is pretty high, and maybe much more than you'd expected, provided that you have the right kind of skills and also you go ahead with it. But in addition to it, you can also check out our website, that is the website of guidershala.com. You can go ahead and you can check all the trainings and modules which we provide you to learn these skills that I just mentioned, be it the communication skills, your personality development, your MS Excel. We have modules and trainings. We also have a test which will tell you about your interests and about your passion towards a particular career, so that you are able to make an informed decision at the end of the day. With this, we come to the end of the video. And for more such educational content, stay tuned to our channel. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.